children of grade 4. Our verb lesson 20, the name was Nouns Do These Works. Nouns do, do. Nouns do these works. Now, verb lesson 21, the name is Nouns did these works. Nouns did these works in past. This is the name of our topic. The scenario is, the story is, winter break is over. Now children are present in the classroom. They are studying English. So English teacher is asking, when? Now in the classroom. What asking? What English teacher is asking? The question is, what did you do in winter break? What did you do in winter break? Students are replying. The school was closed. The students, they had some new experience. So, they were very happy to answer the question. The students are answering. Students are replying now in the classroom. What happened in the winter break? What they did in the winter breaks? So, let's see what they said. 10 days ago, we trekked a hill. 10 days ago, we trekked a hill. We found caves. We saw some dilapidated houses. We asked about these caves and houses to the guide. He explained us nicely. Then we returned home. This is the experience during winter break. This is what children did in winter break. 10 days ago, 10 days ago, that means this time is gone. Now children are in the classroom. This time is past. This time is gone. Time is past. So, here children are saying about some past time. We trekked a hill. We found caves. We saw some dilapidated houses. We asked about these caves and houses to the guide. He explained nicely and we returned home. That means they started their trek 10 days ago. Same day they returned home. They returned home. Then they trekked the hill and returned home. So this is about 10 days ago. This time is past. Time is over. Time is past. And what they are saying? We trekked a hill. We found the caves. That means their work is also over. Work is over. They return home. And when the work started, work is over. Finished. Completed. Work is completed. When they started? 10 days ago. Time start. This is also past time. Work. What is the work? Work is trek. When started? When? In past time. Past time. Work started in past time. Work over in past time. Completed. When? 10 days ago. The same day. Completed in past time. Work is over in past time. Work started in past time. Then what he explained? The guide explained How he explained? Long time ago, man lived in forests and caves. He hunted animals for food. He used stone tools. He ate raw food till he discovered fire. So, long time ago, this is also past time. Time is over. Long time ago is not now. Now it is present time. Long time ago, man lived in forest. But now man lives in buildings and houses, villages, cities, not in forests and caves. He hunted animals for food. Now man produces food. That time he hunted animals for food. He used stone tools. Now man uses machine tools. We work with machine tools. He ate raw food. We eat cooked food till he discovered fire. Because he didn't know about fire, so he ate raw food. Till he discovered fire. He discovered fire and started to eat. That means this is the habit. Man has the habit of eat raw food, use stone tools, hunt animals. This is the habit. When this habit was there? Habit in past time. Habit of man in past time. This paragraph says. This paragraph says habit in past time. In 5000, then this is about caves, because children wanted to learn about caves. Around 12,000 years ago, man took up to agriculture. This is also past time. Man took up to agriculture. Man started agriculture. This is also man did agriculture. Man grew plants and trees. All this happened in past time. In 5000 BC, these dilapidated houses, now that story about houses, dilapidated houses. Let's see how he explained, how the guide explained. In 5000 BC, these dilapidated houses thrived as gurukuls. They thrived. Children learnt in gurukuls. They stayed with gurus. They acquired knowledge. They got trained in different skills. In 5000 BC, now it is 2020 AD, 5000 before Christ and 2020 years after Christ. After Christ was born, we say it is AD. Before Christ was born, it was 5000. At 5000 BC, that means around 7020 years ago. More than 7000 years ago. That means this time is past, this time is also past time. All these are about past time. All these say about past time. These dilapidated houses thrived as gurukuls. They were famous about as gurukul, named as gurukuls. The children learnt in gurukuls. They stayed with gurus. They acquired knowledge. They got trained in different skills. That means this was the work they do. This is the habit of work. This was the nature of work. This was the habit of work they did at that time. That means habit of actions, habit of work, that time. Habit. Habit of work in past time. This is also habit in past time. These are what these paragraphs say, what the guide told us. Now let's see how these sentences are made. How these sentences are made. We have the habit of discussing about the sentences always. So let's discuss. 5000 BC, that past time, these dilapidated houses thrived as gurukuls. Children learnt in gurukuls. Now we learn in schools. Now children learn in schools, but that time children learnt in schools. Learn became learnt. They stayed with gurus. Now we stay with our parents. Stay became stayed. Now we stay with parents. They acquired knowledge. Acquire becomes acquired. They got trained. We get trained. Now children get trained in different skills. That time, if we say about that time, they got trained. Now we acquire knowledge. That time it was acquired knowledge. That means base verb is modified. Where are the helping verbs that say time? No helping verb is there. So what we find? We do not find any helping verb. Let's see if we can find helping verb in other paragraphs. 10 days ago, we trekked a hill. Trek becomes trekked. Action verb changed, modified. We found caves. Action verb modified. We saw some dilapidated houses. See becomes saw. We asked about these caves. Ask becomes asked. He explained nicely. He explained. Explains becomes explained. We returned home. Return becomes returned. Then where is a helping verb? We do not find any helping verb. So here also we did not find any helping verbs. Let's see whether we get it here. Long time ago, man lived in forests. Live becomes lived. Forests and caves. He hunted animals. Hunt becomes hunted animals. Modified. He used stone tools. Used becomes used. He eat raw food. Eat becomes ate. Vowel changed. It becomes ate. He discovered fire. Discover. Vowel. Ed added to discover. Discover plus ed, discovered. Around 12,000 years ago, man took up agriculture. Take up becomes took up. That means vowel is changed. Where is the helping verb? No helping verb. Here also there is no helping verb. That means in all these, whatever we say about past time, work that started in past and work finished in past. And work finished in past. For this, we have no helping verb. For this, the sentences has no helping verb. This paragraph says about habit in past time. Here also no helping verb. In this paragraph, 5000 BC, in past time, here also no helping verb. We searched for it. No helping verb. In the whole past time story, there is no helping verb. let's see about the what the verbs are. All these are action verbs. Only action verbs. Action verbs. What kind of action verbs? Trek becomes trekked. Find becomes found. That means all these are ed, t. All these are modified. Modified. Modified for what? Modified by what? Modified by adding. Adding. What added? Trekked. Ed. Returned. Ed. Explained. Ed. Used. D is added. Then we learned. T is added. Adding D, ed and T. And what happened? What is she becomes saw. It becomes ate. Take up becomes took up. That means also vowel changed by modified by change of vowel. Vowel changed. This is the way modified. Modified for what? Modified for what? Modified for past time work. This is modified. Why it is modified? Modified for past time. Because time is past, this say about the action verb is modified. Is there any base verb? No. No base verb of action verb. So this no helping verb, only action verb, that too modified for past time. This is called simple past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense we use for this kind of work. For this work, these are the work in past time. Past time. This started in past, finished in past. This habit also started in past and now it is not the habit. No more it is the habit now. No more is the habit now. No more is the habit now. Is this habit now. Now we study in group, in schools. We stay with our parents. All these habits are no more now. And all these work are not happening now. Our work is finished. We have returned home. This work is finished, completed. To say, now we see, to say work, which kind of work? That happened in past, that started in past. Work that started in past and completed in past. And completed in past. Completed in past. What do we do for this? What do we do for this? We use simple past tense. And to say habits, habitual work, we say habitual work in past. Habitual work in past. That means past habits. That is called past habits. To say past habits, to say all these, what we do? What we do? We use simple present tense. Simple past tense. That means action verb modified by adding DEDT or by vowel change, and this modified action verb is used for past time. For the purpose of modification is to say past time work. These are the two things we learn today. These are the two things we learn today. We use simple past tense to say work that started in past and completed in past. Just like our story of Trek the Hill and habits in the past, just like how man lived, how man learned, how man used tools and all these things. So for these two types of work we use simple present tense. We'll learn more in other classes. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.